6 types of meat diabetics must know. Did you know that certain meats can actually help you manage diabetes? But here's the catch. Not all meats are your friends. Some can silently sabotage your blood sugar and heart health. So, how do you know which ones to choose? If you're living with diabetes, you already know how important it is to make smart choices with every meal. But when it comes to meat, things can get tricky. Which ones are safe? Which ones should you avoid? In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 types of meat every diabetic needs to know about. These aren't just tasty options. They're packed with nutrients to support your blood sugar and overall health. Stick around, because this could change the way you eat forever. 1. Skinless chicken breast. When managing diabetes, choosing the right meats is crucial for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels, and skinless chicken breast is a top choice for diabetics. This lean protein is not only low in unhealthy fats but also packed with essential nutrients. The best part? It has a minimal effect on blood sugar, making it ideal for those with diabetes. Why is skinless chicken breast such a great option? Well, it's a high-quality protein source that helps stabilize blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of carbs. This slow release helps prevent sharp blood sugar spikes, which is especially important for managing diabetes effectively. Additionally, protein-rich foods like chicken breast help you feel fuller for longer periods, reducing the temptation to snack on high-carb or sugary foods that could cause your blood sugar to spike. But the benefits don't stop there. Skinless chicken breast also plays a crucial role in muscle repair and overall body maintenance. Since it's low in fat, it helps reduce the intake of unhealthy saturated fats, which is important because people with diabetes are at a higher risk for heart disease. So, by choosing lean meats like skinless chicken breast, you're not only helping to manage your blood sugar, but also supporting heart health, something that's vital for diabetics. To get the most out of your skinless chicken breast, how you cook it makes all the difference. Grilling, baking, or roasting are the healthiest ways to prepare it, as these methods help retain the nutrients while keeping the fat content low. These cooking techniques also prevent the added oils and fats from frying, which can increase calorie intake and lead to unwanted blood sugar fluctuations. If you're looking to make your chicken breast even more nutritious, pair it with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, bell peppers, or cauliflower. These veggies are not only high in fiber but also rich in vitamins and minerals that support your overall health and help regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber is especially beneficial for people with diabetes because it slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. So, when you're preparing your next meal, keep skinless chicken breast at the top of your list. It's a simple, affordable, and delicious way to manage diabetes without compromising on flavor. Combine it with fiber-rich vegetables for a meal that's both diabetes-friendly and heart-healthy, helping you stay on track with your health goals. 2. Salmon. When it comes to diabetes management, salmon is one of the best choices you can make. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, this fatty fish is not only delicious but also offers a wide range of health benefits, especially for people with diabetes. Omega-3s are known for their ability to reduce inflammation in the body, which is crucial for preventing complications related to diabetes, like heart disease. Since heart disease is a common complication of diabetes, eating foods like salmon can play a significant role in protecting your heart and improving your overall health. But how exactly does salmon help with diabetes? First, omega-3 fatty acids help improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity is essential for regulating blood sugar levels. When your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, it can process sugar more efficiently, which helps keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. This makes salmon an excellent food choice for managing diabetes in the long run. Salmon is also rich in high-quality protein, which supports muscle health and helps keep you feeling full for longer periods. This is great for controlling hunger and avoiding the temptation to snack on high-carb or sugary foods that could negatively impact your blood sugar levels. Additionally, the healthy fats in salmon are a much better choice than unhealthy saturated fats, which can increase the risk of heart disease and other complications. When it comes to preparing salmon, the options are endless. You can grill it, bake it, or even pan-sear it with a little olive oil, and your favorite herbs for a flavorful and satisfying meal. These cooking methods keep the fat content in check, ensuring that you're getting all the health benefits without any unnecessary calories. For a complete, diabetes-friendly meal, pair your salmon with leafy greens or steamed broccoli. These vegetables are high in fiber and low in carbohydrates, making them perfect for regulating blood sugar levels. Fiber also slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Incorporating salmon into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to manage diabetes. With its omega-3s, healthy fats, and high-quality protein, it offers everything you need to support blood sugar control, heart health, and overall well-being. So the next time you're looking for a meal that's both nutritious and delicious, reach for salmon and enjoy the many benefits it has to offer. 3. Pork tenderloin. If you're managing diabetes and looking for a healthy, lean protein option, pork tenderloin is a fantastic choice. Unlike fattier cuts like bacon or ribs, pork tenderloin is low in saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy option that won't spike your blood sugar. It's a versatile cut that provides high-quality protein, which plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels and supporting muscle health. By adding pork tenderloin to your meals, you're not only getting a delicious source of protein, but also making an excellent choice for overall well-being. Why is pork tenderloin so great for diabetics? First, the lean protein in this cut of meat helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. This means your blood sugar stays more stable after eating, preventing the spikes and crashes that can make diabetes harder to manage. Additionally, protein helps keep you feeling full longer, so you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks that could lead to an increase in blood sugar. Another important benefit of pork tenderloin is its low saturated fat content. Diabetics are at higher risk for heart disease, and saturated fats can contribute to unhealthy cholesterol levels. By choosing lean cuts like pork tenderloin, you're minimizing your intake of harmful fats while still enjoying a tasty, filling meal. This makes it a heart-friendly choice, which is essential when managing diabetes and overall health. To get the most out of pork tenderloin, the way you prepare it matters. Roasting, grilling, or slow cooking the pork tenderloin are excellent methods that retain the nutrients while keeping the fat content in check. For a flavorful twist, you can try Parmesan-crusted pork medallions or even slow-cooked tenderloin for a melt-in-your-mouth experience. These cooking methods not only keep the meal healthy, but also enhance the natural flavor of the meat. For the perfect diabetes-friendly meal, pair your pork tenderloin with low-carb vegetables like zucchini, cauliflower, or leafy greens. These vegetables are rich in fiber and low in carbohydrates, making them ideal companions for controlling blood sugar. Fiber helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar levels steady and your digestive system healthy. Pork tenderloin is a simple yet effective addition to any diabetes-friendly meal plan. By choosing this lean, protein-packed cut of meat and pairing it with nutritious vegetables, you're setting yourself up for a meal that supports both your blood sugar control and heart health. So next time you're planning dinner, consider pork tenderloin for a flavorful, healthy option that helps you stay on track with your diabetes management goals. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more diabetes-friendly tips. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and help out. Now let's get back to discovering the best meats for managing diabetes. 4. Filet Mignon. For diabetics, red meat can be a bit tricky. However, lean cuts like filet mignon are an excellent choice when it comes to managing blood sugar. Filet mignon is low in fat, making it a heart-friendly protein that won't spike your blood sugar. It's packed with essential nutrients, including high-quality protein, which supports muscle repair and provides energy, helping you feel strong and satisfied without causing blood sugar fluctuations. Why is filet mignon great for diabetics? First, it's a lean cut of beef, which means it's lower in unhealthy saturated fats compared to other cuts. Saturated fats can negatively impact heart health, and since diabetics are at an increased risk for heart disease, choosing lean meats like filet mignon helps minimize this risk. The protein in filet mignon also plays a key role in stabilizing blood sugar by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates, which helps keep blood sugar levels steady. When preparing filet mignon, it's important to avoid frying or cooking it with excess oils, as this can add unwanted fats and calories. Instead, grilling, baking, or broiling the steak are the healthiest ways to prepare it, allowing you to preserve its flavor while keeping it heart-healthy. These cooking methods also ensure that you're not adding unnecessary fats, which can interfere with your blood sugar control. To complete your meal, pair your filet mignon with non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, or cauliflower. These vegetables are rich in fiber, which helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and keeps your blood sugar levels stable. Plus, they provide important vitamins and minerals that support your overall health. Filet mignon is a great option for diabetics who want to enjoy a delicious, filling meal without sacrificing blood sugar control. By choosing this lean cut, preparing it the right way, and pairing it with nutritious vegetables, you can enjoy a satisfying and diabetes-friendly dish that supports your health goals. 5. Poultry, including duck. When it comes to meats for diabetics, chicken and turkey are go-to choices for their lean protein and low-fat content. However, if you're looking for something with a richer flavor, duck can be a great alternative. While duck is higher in fat compared to chicken and turkey, it offers heart-healthy fats that can benefit your overall health when eaten in moderation. Why is poultry, including duck, such a good option for diabetics? First, all types of poultry are packed with high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle health and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Protein helps regulate the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing the blood sugar spikes that can be challenging for people with diabetes. Additionally, poultry is versatile and can be incorporated into many different dishes to suit your taste. Chicken and turkey are lower in fat, making them ideal for everyday meals. Lean cuts of poultry are excellent for keeping calories in check while still providing a hearty serving of protein. Eating lean poultry regularly can help you control your blood sugar and maintain a healthy weight, both of which are crucial for managing diabetes. Duck, while higher in fat, contains healthy monounsaturated fats that are good for your heart. In moderation, these fats can actually support heart health, which is especially important for diabetics, as they're at a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. When cooking duck, roasting is a great method to preserve its moisture and flavor while keeping the fat content in check. Just be mindful of portion sizes and pair the duck with low-carb sides to maintain a balanced meal. For chicken and turkey, there are plenty of ways to enjoy them. Add these lean proteins to soups, salads, stir-fries, or casseroles for a versatile and satisfying meal. These dishes can be loaded with vegetables, making them even more nutritious and supportive of blood sugar control. When preparing poultry, the key is to focus on healthy cooking methods. Roasting, grilling, or baking are the best options to retain flavor and moisture without adding excessive fats. For a well-rounded meal, pair your poultry with non-starchy vegetables like cauliflower rice, steamed broccoli, or leafy greens. These low-carb sides help keep blood sugar levels steady and provide essential vitamins and fiber. Whether you're enjoying lean chicken or turkey or indulging in flavorful duck, poultry is an excellent addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. With the right preparation and portion control, poultry can be a delicious, heart-healthy protein that supports blood sugar management and adds variety to your meals. 6. Organ meats. If you're looking to add variety to your meals and get a boost of nutrients, organ meats like liver, kidney, and heart are worth considering. While they might seem intimidating, these meats are incredibly nutrient-dense and can be a valuable part of a diabetic-friendly diet. Packed with fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, organ meats provide essential nutrients that help support immune function, eye health, and overall well-being. Plus, they're rich in vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels and boosting energy. Why should diabetics consider organ meats? The high nutrient content of these meats makes them stand out from other protein sources. Vitamin A supports your immune system and promotes healthy skin, while vitamin D helps regulate insulin sensitivity, which is vital for managing diabetes. Vitamin E and K contribute to heart health and blood circulation, which are important considerations since diabetics are at a higher risk for cardiovascular disease. Another significant benefit is the presence of B12, a vitamin that is often low in people with diabetes. B12 helps regulate blood sugar levels by supporting the metabolism of carbs and fats. This makes organ meats an excellent addition to your diet, as they can help stabilize blood sugar and provide lasting energy throughout the day. Now, if you're wondering how to incorporate organ meats into your meals, don't worry. They don't have to be overwhelming. Start by mixing organ meats with ground beef. A good ratio is 70% beef to 30% organ meat. This mix is great for making burgers, meatballs, or tacos. The flavors blend well together, and the organ meats add an extra nutrient punch without overwhelming the dish. You can also get creative with bolder recipes like curries or chili, where the spices can help balance the unique flavor of organ meats. If you're new to organ meats, begin with small amounts and gradually increase your intake as you get used to the taste and texture. Paired with fiber-rich vegetables or whole grains, organ meats can provide a satisfying and nutritious meal. Incorporating organ meats into your diet can be a fun way to experiment with new flavors while reaping the many health benefits they offer. They're a great addition to any diabetes-friendly meal plan, providing essential nutrients and supporting overall health. Just be sure to enjoy them in moderation, as part of a well-rounded diet. In conclusion, choosing the right meats is key to managing diabetes and maintaining a healthy, balanced lifestyle. From the lean protein of skinless chicken breast to the nutrient-packed organ meats, these 7 types of meat can help you manage your blood sugar and support your overall health. Remember, it's all about moderation, healthy cooking methods, and pairing your meats with plenty of low-carb vegetables for a well-rounded meal. So, what do you think? Are you ready to add some of these diabetic-friendly meats to your meals? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing diabetes, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. You can also check out our next video down in the description for even more healthy food tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.